Good morning, everyone. You know what time it is. It's time for a coffee break. So on days where I don't have that much time in the morning, I usually opt for instant coffee, and I've been trying out this mushroom coffee from COFECO. I had the mixed blend with lion's mane and chaga mushroom, and I've also been trying the blend with lion's mane and turkey tail. So the packets look like this. I usually just drink it as it is, but today I'm feeling like a latte, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna be adding milk today. I really like the taste of these. The taste is very roasted and robust. There's no added sweetener in here, but it's not bitter at all. It tastes slightly savory, which is something that I really enjoy. Also, I don't know if you can tell, but once you start adding water, it kind of foams up by itself. I love foam, so on days where I do decide to make a latte, I will add a little bit of sugar just so it balances out the milk. And mix this, and then we're gonna froth up the milk. Taste test. Cheers. I've been seeing mushroom coffee around lately. It's become like a trend. At first, I didn't know if the combination would work well together. I personally love mushrooms. I could eat mushrooms in every meal, and I also love coffee. Mushrooms just have like a distinct taste to them, so I wasn't sure if it would pair well with coffee. Fortunately, COFECO reached out to me, and I was able to try out their mushroom coffees. These are available on Shopify and Walmart. I do have a discount code for 30% off. You can use Shirley30 if you're interested. Each case comes with 10 packs, so thank you COFECO for reaching out to me, but my opinion is strictly my own, and as someone who loves coffee and mushrooms, I definitely approve of this. I really like that this is gluten-free, non-GMO, it's free of eggs and nuts, and it's also vegan. The instant coffee also contains half the amount of caffeine in a regular cup of coffee, which is good if you get jitters from caffeine. And you don't need that much caffeine, but just a little bit to get a boost of energy. The mushrooms used in here are considered medicinal mushrooms, so you can definitely taste a little bit herbalness, but it's not overpowering at all. It doesn't taste like you're drinking medicine. Each flavor is added with an extract blend of 2 medicinal mushrooms, lion's mane and chaga, lion's mane and turkey tail. This is quite different from regular mushroom coffee, which is just a blend of a single processed mushroom. Lion's mane and its extracts could protect against dementia, help relieve mild symptoms of depression and anxiety, may help repair nerve damage, protect against ulcers in the digestive tract, and reduce heart disease risk. Multiple studies of chaga mushroom shows that compounds of it can help to fight inflammation, lower blood sugar, reduce blood pressure, and alleviate arthritis. Turkey tail contains a variety of powerful antioxidants and other compounds that may help boost the immune system. I think this coffee is delicious and super quick and convenient in the morning when you don't have much time. And if you want something that's different from your average cup of coffee, like some savory flavor, a tiny hint of saltiness, I think you would really enjoy this. Again, I do have a discount code for 30% off. And yeah, check out COFECO if you're interested. You can try picking these up at Walmart. And if you do try it out, let me know what you think of it.
Oh no!
It's okay, it's one.
Yeah, it's one.
gift, and it looks very similar to what he ordered on Amazon.
Did you buy it through the bundle?
Yes. Happy birthday, honey.
Thanks, honey.
We killed it. Good job.
That was good.